How's it going, guys? This is Prince from North Carolina Mobile Detailing, and today I want to introduce high definition waterless wash. Hopefully you guys can see the dirt on here, right? So I'll show you real quick. Just gonna do the fender. Get myself a microfiber towel, and I'm gonna wipe in one direction. And whether you can see it or not on camera, there are some streaks on here, but it's just the wax, so we're just gonna buff them out real quick. And there you go. Super yellow back. High definition. This whole car will look like you buff, waxed, and polished it. But I can get this done in about 8 minutes. So till next time, grind time.